an effective option for treating major depressive disorder. Based on clinical trials and real-world experience, NeuroStar TMS therapy is an effective treatment of major depressive disorder in adult patients who have failed to achieve satisfactory improvement from one prior antidepressant medication at or above the minimal dose and duration in the current episode. In a controlled clinical trial comparing active treatment with the NeuroStar TMS therapy system to an inactive device, patients treated with active NeuroStar TMS therapy experienced a 22.1% average reduction of their depression symptoms, compared to a 9% average reduction of depression symptoms in patients receiving inactive treatment. Patients treated with NeuroStar also experienced significant improvement in anxiety and physical symptoms, such as appetite changes, aches and pains, and lack of energy associated with depression. In an open-label study, which is more representative of real-world clinical use, 1 in 2 patients suffering from depression improved significantly, and 1 in 3 patients were completely free of depression symptoms after 6 weeks of treatment. An independent open-label study conducted under the sponsorship of the National Institute of Mental Health confirmed these results. NeuroStar's effectiveness has not been established in patients who have failed to receive benefit from 2 or more prior antidepressant medications at minimal dose and duration. It has also not been studied in patients without prior antidepressant medication treatment. In clinical trials, indicated patients had been treated with a median of 4 antidepressant medication attempts, 1 of which was at an adequate dose and duration.